Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy here, Papa T Mopao, ama ukipenda Uwenyarongo.
So this picture of us, Papa T and I, we took it last year kwa studio ya Jamal Malik. Tulikuwa kwa kiti.
Ukweli uliopo baina yetu kati yetu wawili. Alafu labda baada ya hapo tutapata solution. I just want to make a public statement and apology to our fans wetu Wajaluo, Waluya, kina nani wote ambao wanafuatilia muziki wetu hii. Alafu kila mtu tu akwe sawa kikazi, kila mtu awe huru na pambane kivyake. Sasa
hiyo kiti ilikuwa grey. Na hata sasa ukienda kwa studio ya Jamal utaipata hapo. Sasa venye unajua last year tulikuwa tunafanya Jamal Malik as my manager. Sasa Papa T pia alikuwa anaishi na Jamal by that time akitoka Nairobi. So anytime nikienda studio lazima nipate Papa T there.
Hakuna joke. We're just good friends. Industry umetuweka pamoja, urafiki, labda kushahidia nilikuwa nafanya hivi unaonaje? Pia mimi nasema nilikuwa nafanya hivi, labda hivi ukifanya utaendelea kikazi. Hivyo kazi ndio ilituleta pamoja, tukajuana kwa sababu tulijuana kimuziki, na labda sometimes tukipata by then tungepata chance na tufanya more 1-2 selfies na kuweka mtandaoni. So hiyo ndio ilikuwa inatuleta karibu, but no sexual relationship ama boyfriend girlfriend ama you get kuna mtu kubwa.
Luo Trending Nation LTN gik mopandi idhienyo elela, number 1 platform above them all. Thank you.
Luo Trending Nation, LTN, the best ahead of the rest. LTN, Luo Trending Nation. Mopandi inyenyo elela. Weche mopondo, weche mopandi inyenyo elela. Kineno kokuo kuomi matiende nionge. Isebe. Nesigana mamulongimani, sigandi joluo, joajawa.
Jothum mokwongo kapok waduogo kuom joangla, ong'eane life mar jothum gi familia margi. Ineno
Luo Trending Nation ni ong'ala manyime mar gundo ni wechegi kaka gitimore kod ng'ama otimogi maonge deo wang'. Ochiem to chiem mariek nikech be samora. Tudri kodwa seche duto, ndalo duto, kinde duto e tong wang' mbui mar YouTube, TikTok, Facebook mondo yudu wechegi kamora mora maintie mana kar bedo.
Kete mana kai, kete mana kokidwa kete gato wabro keti gi thuon.
Luo Trending Nation, LTN, the best ahead of the rest.
Yes, nyakora mogi mapodi luongo ni LTN, Luo Trending Nation, kuma mopande nyenyo elela, wan kae ndigi weche matin kabisa. Yeah, we are doing final stage. We are on the final stage. Yeah. Final stage mar Papa T ekod Aquino Chogo. Naneno ka Papa T kayeche endo mose address the nation. And there was a time mabende Aquino Chogo no address angoa the nation. Bed koda nyaka watie kipodi lungano mari nash, mari chino je mbala chene mineno mbala mem. Emiodo katinyalo wachino mari dhako nguri ni gichake kore kubni areyo. Subscribe mondo wabed kanyakla. Wadono watch matin kabisa. Wangiore weche di areyo kende. Watakol to walk. Iwinjo. Watch matin. LTN wawacho mana kakaen. Biyo kwa biye od ngado. Muse wugno imbui. Money public domain. Anymore.
oganda Luo kendo e piny Luo. Oganda wopong' kod were mathoth mapoko yangi. Nyota mag rowere bura dimo ka duond jowa modhuro bende poko winji. Wakeloni Luo Talent Search mabiro kod tekre makende. Ma en chenro mowuok oko mar yango kendo konyo jogo man kod were mar miyo ji nyiero, wer, miel, lendo kod mamoko mathoth. Luo Talent Search biro mar neno ni lek magi ochopo kare. Be in kod oteku mar bedo duond Luo, bedo sulwe mar oganda Luo. Riwri kodwa mondo piny ngima one mich mane ogwedhigo. Ma kik bai. Your talent, our stage. Let the search begin.
You know, this Friday, dancehall artist. I'll be performing at Luo Talent Search, 15th April 2025.
LTN Luo Trending Nation. Luo Trending Nation, LTN, the best ahead of the rest.
Nyakoromogi machiegni kendo adwa ni kapok wachako wakuongo winja nena bende kaka Papatine wuoyo kachicha endo kotenore gi wach gi Aquino Ochogo mondo mi kore ka wawuoye. Aparo ni Aquino Ochogo ne waketo ni kacha ka kuwuoyo to kata koponi ati no will pod inyalo ng'eyo. Nowacho ni enough is enough.
Enough is enough. Heshima idumu. Shika adabu, adabu ikushike. Luor nyaka koro bede. Koro wadandole ma fine. Ma very perfect. Yeah. People must now set boundaries. Kuna mpaka. Murife run. Why are you running, Murife? Come back. This is not a joke. Not a joke at all. Don't be shocked.
According to kaka niji wuoyo about wach gi Papati bende no kawo thuolo mar wuoyo e wach gi Aquino Ochogo kendo ne otemo o address gi Kiswahili kod Kiingereza. Kata kamano wan kaka Luo Trending Nation wang'eyo ni joma bende ni YouTube ka, just on a light note, but wadon wakete gi dholuo maler be wawinja ne kasto watima ne analysis kalore kaka Papatine wuoyo. Koro wakungo winja ne kaka ne Papa wuoyo kaendi. Wamiye volume.
Mtandaoni kati yangu na Aquino Ochogo. Yes, na nataka nifanye video kwa Kiswahili ama English ila kila mtu apate na ajue ukweli uliopo baina yetu kati yetu wawili. Alafu labda baada ya hapo tutapata suluhisho. Hello ladies and gentlemen. This is your boy here, Papa T Mopao ama ukipenda Uwenyarongo. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, nimekuja mbele yenu ili kuclarify na kuweka wazi watu wajue nini naendelea kuhusu hizo videos na picha zetu ambazo zilikuwa zikienea sana mitandaoni kati yangu na Aquino Ochogo. Yes, na nataka nifanye video kwa Kiswahili ama English ila kila mtu apate na ajue ukweli uliopo baina yetu kati yetu wawili. Alafu labda baada ya hapo tutapata suluhisho. I just want to make a public statement and apology to our fans wetu Wajaluo, Waluya, kina nani wote ambao wanafuatilia muziki wetu hii. alafu kila mtu tu akue sawa kikazi, kila mtu awe huru na pambane kivyake. Sasa leo nilikuwa tu nimeamua kufanya hii statement na nilichukua muda wangu nikaandika tu chini ili nije niwaambie, niwasomee, alafu tu discuss, tupate kujua na kusaidiana ili tupatane, tusameane, kazi iendelee. Kama kuna mtu pengine alikuwa amekwazwa mahali. Sasa niko na statement yangu hapa, niko na paragraph 6, nitasoma haraka ni eleze kwa undani, alafu tupate kupata solution. Sawa, ni hivi. Over the past few days, I've faced intense backlash on social media following a video posted by Aquino Chogo in which she mentioned my name in a negative light while addressing old photos and videos we took years ago. Nadhani mliona hapo nyuma Aquino akitengeneza post yake akiongelea hizo video zetu na post ambazo tulipiga last year na 2023 hapo December. Hapo ilikuwa 2023 December. Hapo ndo tulianza kujuana na Aquino. Hapo ndo tulianza kujuana na Aquino kikazi. Ubeshte ulikuwa kati yetu kikazi. Hatujai kuwa na mahusiano ya kindani mara huo. Mnaelewa hapo. Yes. Second paragraph. Nasemaje? For clarity, these issues had already been resolved last year and I saw no need to revisit them on social media. I believed that the more we explain ourselves, the more the narrative will be twisted for clickbait and online traffic. Unfortunately, in trying to defend myself, the situation escalated, leading to an exchange of posts between us on various platforms. Nadhani mliona akipost nini, pia mimi nilikuwa na post hivyo. Akipost Facebook uliona kama tunajibizana hivyo, mtu akifanya hivi nimefanya hivi, mtu akifanya hivi nafanya hivi. Lakini niliona nisiwe mbishi, labda niendelee na kazi ndio iongee. Mimi nilikuwa naona hiyo ndio suluhisho. Sasa sikuwa naona haja ya kujibizana, labda ndio maana nimekuja wazi nimuombe msamaha kama nilikuwa nimemkosea mahali Aquino Chogo, ama labda kama kuna kitu haikwenda poa, aniwie radhi, tuendelee na kazi, tuchape mziki, kila kitu iendelee na tupate kuendelea. Kwa hii statement yangu, third paragraph niliandika hivi: I have never imagined these things will get to this point, especially with someone I have shared so much with. I hold myself in high regard and have always conducted myself with respect. To clarify, I have never been involved in a sexual relationship with Aquino. Nadhani hapo mnaelewa. Mimi sijai kwa labda sema
inango papati inango gi magi mono ndek ne papati dakitiek gini inango we gijere
to this point, especially with someone I have shared so much with. I hold myself in high regard and have always conducted myself with respect. To clarify, I have never been involved in a sexual relationship with Aquino. Nadhani hapo mnaelewa.
Hatujaelewa papati. Hatujaelewa. No. Monde kore papati gini dakne kuonge ikete kuongo so papati ma iwacha ngoka.
To clarify, I have never been involved in a sexual relationship with Aquino. Nadhani hapo mnaelewa.
Hatujaelewa papati. Papati gimangae. Apology. Mane kwayo gi chunyi we moro mon wandike sikul moro ma formal macha to andiko nikech format. In fact inyalo penjo nyaka ng'ato kani andike ng'ato makoni, but ng'wono ma e chunyi ok ndikni. Ng'wono ma e chunyi ni misomo kama my friend, kata mana speech mamari mawuok e chunyi ok ndikni. Jotele nyalo ndikne gi mondo gadgi go overboard. But do you know ni ka gisetiyo kutogi umo kalatas cha kore ka gichako wuoyo. My friend, no sende kene kasi kure kiwinjoni my friend Papa T we waru giredi chia.
To clarify, I have never been involved in sexual relationship with Aquino. Nadhani hapo mnaelewa. Yeah. Mimi sijaikuwa.
Oh, kaelewa. But wadhi.
Labda seme boyfriend girlfriend tukidate ama kwenye mapenzi hatujawahi kuhusiana naye. Aquino Jogo. We're just good friends. Industry umetuweka pamoja, urafiki, labda kushaidia nilikuwa nafanya hivi unaonaje? Pia mimi nasema nilikuwa nafanya hivi, labda hivi ukifanya utaendelea kikazi. Hivyo kazi ndio ilituleta pamoja tukajuana kwa sababu tulijuana kimuziki na labda sometimes tukipata by then tungepata chance na tufanya 1-2 selfies na kuweka mtandaoni. So hiyo ndio ilikuwa inatuleta karibu, but no sexual relationship ama boyfriend girlfriend ama you get. Yeah, kuna mtu mkubwa na mheshimu sana. Fourth paragraph inasema hivi: additionally, I have never fled from the Kenyan government as some reports are falsely claiming by calling me Muriife when I was required to write a statement. I was engaged in business matters in Nairobi and Mombasa. I have always operated within the law and have nothing to hide. Hapo nyuma wakati tulikuwa tunarushana maneno mtandaoni, labda uliona kama mlipost nini Muriife, why are you running and whatever. Nilikuwa kikazi, nilikuwa nafanya shooting zangu, kazi nilikuwa nimeenda kurecord Nairobi, nifanye shooting Mombasa, kazi iendelee. Haikuwa mara ya kukimbia, labda nilikuwa nahitajika niandike kesi nikayepa.
Yani samoro mana Aquino wacho ni Muriife, why are you running? Don't run. Ma Papa T monu bedo referred as Muriife. Nyiso ni noluonge mondo dhi ondik statement. To by that time no yudo ka nene media tour, by the way, Nairobi gi Mombasa. Koro kwa ayudo point ni Muriife why are you running? Muriife why are you running? Okay.
Muriife run. Why are you running, Muriife? Come back. It's not a joke. Not a joke at all.
Okay.
Sababu pia nilikuwa nataka ni clarify na niweke wazi watu wajue. Yes. Last paragraph inasema hivi. Second last, I mean. Today I sincerely apologize to everyone who may have been offended by my recent post on Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, popote tu kwa mtandao, all digital platforms, whether knowingly or unknowingly. Please accept my apology. I'm still learning and I remain open to guidance as I grow. Nilikuwa nasema hapo nyuma mliona nikirecord video nikisema mimi nataka kulearn, nijue kitu. Labda nikikosea unirudishe kwa njia, unirekebishe, mimi nita accept na nita appreciate. Kuna watu wengi ambao wanaweza sema wenye wanaweza toa ushuhuda, wamenisaidia, wameniambia fanya hivi, nime accept, tukaendelea kikazi na mnajua. Labda wengine wenyu mko hapo, unaweza comment ama useme kitu, lakini kuna baina wenu tumeishia nayo wengi sana. Mtu ananiambia Papa T ukifanya hivi utafanya hivi, ni pia mimi naanza kaa chini na kujiita mkutano. Baada ya kujalika mkutano naona tukifanya hivi kwenye Jamali niambia labda tunaweza endelea fiti. Last paragraph inasema hivi: lastly, let us remember the unity is key. Together we are strong and we need each other for the growth of the industry. Sasa kwa Queen mwenyewe sana nilikuwa napitisha hii ujumbe, apate kunisamea, aniwie radhi, tuendelee kikazi. Kama nilimkosea mahali kikazi, kiundani ama kurafiki, anisamee. Mimi niko tayari kufanya kazi, tuungane, kazi endelee mbele. Aquino, penye uko pata nafasi unisamee, tuzidi na kazi. Picha na videos tutaziondoa mtandaoni, mimi na manager wangu, alafu kazi endelee, upate amani yako na ufanye kazi, tuendelee mbele, usanii, tujumuike, unity tu na kazi endelee poa. Anyway, mashabiki zangu, everywhere you are, just feel appreciated. niko overwhelmed sana kwa support yenu. Nasema asante tena asante. Umenisaidia, mnanitia moyo wakati nafanya kazi, napambana, najua
kodo ngeneno kara asante kanyo kondiki kuringini manu gima yae hat mar ng'ato. Asante. What about kakuro ni somo gini? Yeah, to my fans,
kuna watu ambao pia wako nyuma yangu ambao wana support kazi yangu, na pia mimi napata imani kwa kuna penye tunaelekea. Sasa iko karibu kufika ama tuko karibu kuwadia. Asanteni. Tarehe 1 February, 1st Feb, tunaangusha ngoma mpya inaitwa Sip Room. Stay tuned. Thank you.
Mabeya ngima wa gin jogo ma wahero, kuonde ma wasebedo kanyakla kod kinde ma wakadho e kodgi. Be hikori mar paro kinde ni e yorno manyangafu. Kik chunyi go kibikibi ni mar The Nash Pictures sani timo photography, videography kod graphic designs man gi siso mamalo. Obed arus, obed nyasi moyiedhi, ingo odiochienge kaka mag nyuol, mago duto watimo e bwo ot achiel. Chunyi osegombo logo mawuoyo gi nyadhi, posta maywayo ji machiegni, kik chandi, rieko wani ka mar miyo paroni duto ngima manyien. Yudwa e YouTube, Facebook kata yuanwa uno e namba wa ma en 07191927274. The Nash Pictures, waparoni kinde, kendo wandiko sigana.
Mani luongo ne Papa T.
Access Max Life Insurance के term insurance plans दे रहे हैं आपको special discounts का ऑफर. Click on the link below.
Mani luongo ne Papa T Nyarongo. Pani iwinjo kako wacho kanyo no endo. Wacho maber okwa ng'uono kuom Queen Ochogo. Owacho ne kanentiere. That is the most important part. Wacho ni otemo lero gima notimore e kinde kanyo no endo. Winjo ko temo wacho ni nitiere gik moko mosebedo ka giduokore kanyo, but koro osekwa ng'uono. Nitiere time mabende noluonge mondo me odhi ondik statement, noyudo kodich kanyo bo ochako kwa ng'uono. Temo lero kacha ni gin po gibedo ga gi uhusiano mora mora mar kimapenzi, yani mar hera e kindgi. Ng'iyo gi pok ochopo ga kama koro itime hera, ena ng'iyo mar tich kako lero kanyo no endo. Otieko be kowacho ni kuom gigo duto temo setimore, gidhi golo pichni mondo giketo mondo mi gik moko obed makare. Gima dona wachi, gigi kapok obiro ga e mbui, nikech wano marigine, wan to kata koro ji laowa, to wan wayudo gi ga e mbui, onge gima wasedhi mwakawo. Jogi ka noromo ka Jamal, manyiso ni koth nochako gogi ka Jamal ngima kendo timo ne Queen Ochogo video. Jamal ngima kendo timo ne Papa T video. Why don't they go back to the source of this thing? Kane giromo ka Jamal, ang'a mono Aquino ne kono Jamal, ke Jamal to nigo authority mar luongo Papa T to gibed kanyakla to gitiek this issue. Mana pinya ni kane all that serious, nikech social media to ji nyalo bire kaka Papa T owacho no ni kaka gimedo duokore to mago medo keto mbaka no bedo mopogore. Ang'eni kizungu no kata Papa T no kuwinjo, need to make that narrative to be twisted. Narrative en mbaka, yesu koro mbaka lokore kaka ne nyoro odhi olokore kawuono kaka medo, of which that is very true. Ang'eni msani, so that is a plus to them, because of late people have been talking about Queen Ochogo and Papa T, and kata kedhi searches imanyo kata mane TikTok imanyo Papa T biro winjo Papa T and Queen Ochogo. Papati and Subi Betu, Papati and Nyamigori, which means they have cliques. That is still a positive to them, and I don't see any bad thing there. The only bad thing is that they now regret what they did themselves. You know, and I wonder why now, while those things happened 2023, my 2024 Carlo, my 2025, it may be still another way mar mondo mi pod wuoye nyinggi. You never know. Wasani timo kamano. But kana en serious makoro ne dware nyaka statement, to Jamal was there. They were still very free to contact Jamal. Igone Jamal simu. Jamal, adwana rom kodi nikech odi ka emane warome gi Papati. To Jamal gocho ne Papati kone warom biane ot. Okunyiso ka okuchuno kata no kone ni waromo gi Gakwino. Biane ot. To jiromo. Then those things are being solved. Nitie gik mang'eny mosebedo solved outside social media. Unless there was somebody pushing one team. So onge kake team cha nyalo ng'eyo kaka gigo dhi unless iketo gi e mbui. But all in all, I have to appreciate, and Papati has really talked well, or actually and ready to learn. Manyiso ni oikore mar kawo puonj kendo goero kamano ne fans gi ahinya. Owacho ni tarik 1 dwe mar 2 bi gibolo thum manyien kanyo no endo. Mano nyisi ni YouTube ne kancha mondo subscribe. Naneno ka en gi 68 point something. That is so good, Papati. Odong mana gi 30 something mondo donj 100k. I'm so glad kaneno ka our uprising artists are growing so fast. I'm happy for them, and anytime I would just love it when we are in unity. Kaka Papati owacho, I just want to believe ni they are not forsake. Ng'eni ng'ato be nyalo soma gik moko kamano mana mar kalo gi ji, but iduogo yudo ni he never meant what he was saying. But ko mean it, to I believe ni that is the right direction to take. It's not bad to apologize. It's not bad. Actually, it takes stronger people. It takes stronger people to, or it takes a stronger person to apologize. You must be very strong to apologize. Nikech ing'eni e chunyi mondo mi bed ni nyalo apologize ka ji neno, nyiso ni you are very strong. So strong men do. Yeah, some people nyalo pani ati koke apologize me walk me there, to that one you are strong. No, strong are for those people who can apologize and say I'm sorry. I like Papati has done it, and I believe that is so good. Secondly, to Aquino Chogo, we are in the field. Where wuokumi, where ntie gimoro mono wache niya, onge gima rach ne nyako, orach ne kabisa, kendo it shows sign of disrespect ni wuotho to ng'ato si but onge gima rach mogik ni kotedhe gi months 3 to onge ng'ama osesiye kor wang'ayo, onyalo chapi. Obera ka ng'ato si tiwacho jomoko fuma nade ni tokiloko koro ananse tedhe ichaki iduogo tikalo okichung. It is very beautiful. Yeah, that's the beauty. Ni iluongi to king'e koni. But nyalo chandi miwuok kati dhi ir wuoyi kendi ni e gweng'no onge ng'ama si. Ng'ato ni samoro jo gweng'o chaya, idhi kawayu onge ng'ama si, in e college onge ng'ama gweli. It is very bad. So it is bad mondo si, but very bad kok si. Sami wuoyo kuom mari, nyalo rachna kiwuoyo kuom, but koro rach ahinya kokuo. Wuoyo mar ji gero ga ji. Somebody will tell you publicity is publicity. Kawuono ka LTN ng'ato wacho ni gik mwatimo richo, remember ni ng'ato wacho nitie ng'ama tiyo maber kumoro to ji kiaye. Iwacho ni LTN timo gini marach, to ng'ato be biro chako ng'iye kaka watime marach. To ng'ano be confirm no rach, to miyo ng'ato ni manyien gini bago. And that's how we grow. Kora kwino, weya. Mama, weya wuok kuomi. In gi advantage kata kiwuok kuomi tiwer maber. In gi figure, in gi following, as I said the other time. Gigo we chandi. You are an artist. Kichako mako ji at this first level. What about level mar enda? Ibiro dwaro cell mar Aquino, like Aquino Chogo prison. Nikech wan kore kwa chako wuoyo, wan po kata wachako sani pod wa react e gik mowachi. Pod wa react e gik mowachi. My question, being that eyes are on you, in fact, kopo ni ati koro wang'iyo best Luo artist, Luo female artist, to nyaka yud ka Aquino Chogo is featuring somewhere. Aquino Chogo nigi gima it takes to be an artist. Where mama, where Toto, where wuok kuomi. Leave them. And do you know, wuoyo no miyo ng'ato ng'eni an gosiepna moral not disclose. Manyocho kono ni, Omari, from what you did, I saw Aquino Chogo. Ng'eni an aparo ga ni en aluoch pamba. I'm like, aluoch pamba. In fact, no kotiyo gi nying aluoch pamba, notiyo ni chidiyo misianicha. Chidiyo. Lynette. So, leave it. We chope itji. Jok machalo wuod Phoebe, one of the famous producers, senior, ang'o ma pok owach kuomgi? To gino kao skills kuomgi? No. Pod gintie. Joma chalo Prince Indah, ang'o ma pok owach kuom Prince Indah? Mara ka ng'ato tho, oloso band, mara ring, mara wer marach, mara ang'o. Osimuko wuonyandari, kore kodhi ga. And to any artist outside there, ma wacho for free, we jogo wuok kuomi. Where, leave them. Sama giwuoyo kuomi, benefit gin magi. Enda biro nuoni, kenda wacho ka. Wasani monogolo wenge gi mager ni kik wuo kuomgi. I'll not mention them, but you know them. Tell me where they are. They exist in person. At their personal level, they are there. But when you check them musically, they seem missing. They gave out their thought and people went against their thought. They made noise and people followed their thought. And as we talk, they are normal. They just exist in ngane pokotho. But ngane gochu, ngane umwono poster. Negi kech bwana, en kiwu kumitu. Ino kuomgi. Aquino gino biro build. It will build you. We mari ukuomi, we otamo amo ukuomi, we jaka dere ukuomi. In fact, ngamani tebe mi ukuomi. So, kapod ngima Aquino Chogo, we ji ukuomi. To ji be mitiyogo mondo bed kumoro, ji emitiyogo mondo bed kumoro. Sani ji neno LTN nikech awacho Aquino. Imbende yudo pesa ni moro matin nikech igo show ji obiro. Jashow no botiyo mana kodi mondo ibed kanyo the whole night mondo jomoko madhne kong'o. Jakong'o no mono kelo kong'o kanyo be nyaka rit mana ng'ama ne odhi oloso pesa ne kata mana e stage mondo bi omethi okawo pesa no. Ng'ama noloso pesa e stage no be nyaka ne ket mana ng'ati gari ma madhi makete gari ma mok dhi mondo mi yud commission. Ng'ama biro like ng'ato ka ng'ato nyaka rely kuom ng'ato nyaka rely kuom ng'ato. Onge ng'ama chung' kende ni atienen independent. Onge. Kata mana president nyaka rely kuom ng'ato. People do rely on people for them to move forward. Or idwa keto ni an nyinga kikugoye ki ang'o an kiketim an wena line mar duty. Onge line ng'ato mar duty. Ni line di mar duty no ng'ato nyaka ket line no. Ng'ato be nyaka ng'e line mar duty ni no. Akene yoda en line di mar duty, but line no kapok ichako duty ng'ato nyaka ket line no. Line di mar duty no ng'ato nyaka ng'e line nikech inyalo nyono line meluwa. Ng'ato wacho ni mind your business. Don't you know your business is someone's business? Minding your business is someone's business. Mane mumi uchonjiru mana gi dhako ma ina minyuomo gi pesa ni tinege mana kendi nikech samini sere be ji onge. Citizen osebiro. Ikono citizen ni mind your business. No, minding that your business is their business. Eona. In a stage, itingo bag, ngato sepenje ni unaenda wapi? Iko ni mind your business. That your business kore business. Giemu kete stage kanya. Jagari riembi. Tineno ka noni go the right to the left. Ripenye ni deri. Though ni riembo to ine miriembo. To kumwa dhe ni mind your business. Ane mariembo ini bed. Minding that business, a business. When you catch one, can a low cut to not pay. Unless a letter na. So this thing of mind your business, I'm on my line of duty. Have into consideration that minding your business is someone's business too. Yeah.
I'm tired. I decided to keep quiet, but the more I'm keeping quiet, the more things are getting worse. So I just want to speak it out. Ili nitoke. So there is this picture of us trending on Facebook. I don't know whether imefika huku TikTok, but for Facebook iko all over. So this picture of us, Papati and I, we took it last year. Kwa studio ya Jamal Malik, tulikuwa kwa kiti. Iyo kiti ilikuwa grey. Na hata sahi ukienda kwa studio ya Jamal utaipata hapo. Sa venye unajua last year tulikuwa tunafanya Jamal Malik as my manager. Sa Papati pia alikuwa anaishi na Jamal by that time akitoka Nairobi. So anytime nikienda studio lazima nipate Papati there. And benye nilienda studio nikapata Papati. Kumbuka kiti ni moja kwa studio. Papati alilala. Singemuamsha. Sasa umejua alilala na huko nyuma, nikakaa tu na hapo mbele cause hizi vitu za siku hizi unajua venye ziko kubwa. Sasa Papati alijua tu vizuri anaenda kutoa song. Mimi sikujua anaenda kurelease song. Papati akaniomba selfie. Na mimi ukiniomba selfie uwe mtu mgani? Siwezi kakunyima baba hata mama, siwezi kakunyima ka selfie tu, picha. Siwezi. Hata ukikutana na mimi kwa soko na uniombe queen, naomba selfie. I will just pose, tupige selfie. Sasa Papati aliniomba selfie na alilala hivi. Sasa venye Papati alilala, mimi nilikuwa nimeketi, nikafanya hivi, tukapiga selfie. Sikujua chochote about the selfie. Mimi nilijua tu venye mtu anaweza kukuomba picha, sasa tukapiga selfie. Ikaisha hivyo. Tukatoka hapo mimi na Jamal na Papati tulienda United Mall kununua nini. I don't know whether these two people were in this deal, sijui hadi wa leo. Jamal recorded us. Jamal alirecord video mimi na Papati tukitembea. Sasa Jamal alinitumia hiyo video akatumia tena Papati. Mimi nilipost hiyo video hata mta confirm after hii nini. Nilipost na song yangu ya Japap. Papati alienda kupost na sijui ilikuwa about my woman. So watu wakaanza kucomment nilikuwa naona hizo comments umeanza vibaya, wewe bado ni mtoto mdogo na umeanza kutembea na wamama mara what. Naona watu wananiambia Queen Igori noma, things like that. Kwa I was like what? Kwani hao watu wanaona tu mimi naweza date Papati with all the people Papati. Nikaona hiyo kitu inaniharibia jina na I don't want to disappoint my fans. I just want to protect my image. I just want to protect my brand. So hiyo kitu ikaanza kunipea stress. Watu wataanza kunijudge na date watoi, unaona. Nikasema wacha niongee na Jamal cause Papati na Jamal ni hivi. Sasa nikaambia Jamal, please talk to your guy. Tell him aache kunipost ni kama mimi ni girlfriend wake. Guys, do you know what that boy did? Papati alikuja kwa inbox yangu akaniambia niache kumuita nini children. Cause mimi niliambia Jamal Papati is children to me. Sasa aache kujifanya eti tuna date ama what. Kama ni kutafuta fame, atafute na njia nyingine. Lakini achane tu na mimi kabisa. I can't date children. Sasa akanikuja inbox. And you know aliniambia nini? Eti niache kumuita children, anaweza nifura tumbo. Nikasema what? Why is this small boy talking to me like this? Nikasema there is no time for arguing with small kids. Papati's children to me, by the way. I am not afraid to say this. Papati says yata come date. And this small boy is very hungry for being famous. Papati is very hungry. Anaweza fanya chochote, bora tu ametrend, bora tu amepata ma likes, bora tu amepata ma comments. Yani Papati is very hungry. Very, very hungry kuwa famous. So after kumwambia hivyo, ikakaa kidogo tena hii selfie imetoka. Na yeye ndiye alipiga hiyo selfie. Sasa hiyo selfie ina trend kila mahali. Sasa nikipost hata Facebook, mtu ana comment na hiyo picture. Mtu ananiita bibi wa Papati. Mtu sijui anasema nini. Papati, what you did was wrong. Ungenifanyia hivi hakuna hata collab tushafanya na wewe. Sijui hata unanifanyia hivi juu uliniomba collab hata sikukata. Nilisema wacha tu nifikirie nitaona. Na wewe na kukua hungry na kuhit, unaenda kupost kama mimi ni girlfriend wako, sijui mimi ni nini wako. Acha pressure bro. Hata sisi tunatamani tu kuhit. Sawa? Sisi pia tunatamani tu kukua famous. But tunakaa chini tunafikiria kwanza. Nikifanya hivi na hivi. So unajua wewe side yako uko sawa, tena you are very proud. Sasa hata mtu akisema unadate Queen, unajua utakuwa proud. But what about me? Unaniaibisha hata na mafans wangu. You are children by the way to me. You are like my younger brother. So we can't do, hawezi niomba selfie alafu unaenda kupost eti tuna date na captions zingine crazy. Acha pressure. Hata wenye walisha hit, hata wenye umehit sahi hawakuwa na hiyo pressure yako. Kuja tu polepole, piga muziki. Ukiomba hata msanii mwenzako picha, post tu na song yenye inatakikana. Si kuweka manini na nini unatafuta fame. Stop being hungry. Hapo ulinikosea heshima. Na watu hawafai kufanya hivyo. You are an artist like me. Artist nyingi giricho. Mone ubeni samoro podi nyalo wacho ni let's do this and this mondo kik nying wasani kethre. Ine minye timo anything bora tu umekuwa famous. Hata kama ni kukua famous. Na kuambia hii, ikienda hivyo don't regret. Ikienda hivyo don't regret. Mimi hakuna penye tushai-date na wewe. Uliniomba selfie tukiwa na Jamal kwa studio. Tukapiga selfie, wewe ukaenda kupost na vitu zako. On your side you are happy, you are very proud, but on my side, what about my side? Sasa sijui hata mashabiki wangu wananiona kama nani. Hata sijui wananichukulia aje. Haufai kunifanyia hivyo. Hata mimi siwezi omba mtu picha. Mtu mwenye hata amehit kulishinda. Ni muombe picha, alafu na tukishapiga picha naenda kupost na vitu zangu. Hiyo si poa. Na hata kuna collab tumefanya na wewe ndio utumie picha yangu kupata nayo ma likes, ma comments. Hakuna. Alafu after kufanya hizi zote bado unakuja unaniambia unaweza nifura tumbo. Unaniona kama matako yako. Ukanya date retain sana. You are children to me. I will rather date my age metrika yangu, lakini not children like Papa T. Man gadole mang'eny mokia kata gimo kata odhi ketho ni ng'ato kumoro. Umeniharibia vitu vingi sana. Mimi kama natambia na mtu ananiita bibi wa Papa T. Surely mimi hakweno. Hata aturaim kabisa. Kora ni mabedo blamed. Aketo nyathi matis. Nyathi matis kare man gi gombo mang'eny. Igomba. Usiwai ni biliro ita makiana nyalogo kata okanyal. Imiyo kata sana luor go picha gi ng'ata. And wallahi ikipita hapa. La sivyo. Usini blame.
Weche mopondo, weche mopandi, inyenyo elela.
Kineno kokuo kuomi matiende ni onge.
Isebe.
Nesigana mamulongimani, sigandi joluo, joajawa.
Jothum mokwongo kapok waduogo kuom joangla. Ong'eane life mar jothum gi familia margi. Ineno.
Luo Trending Nation ni ong'ala manyime mar gundho ni wechegi kaka gitimore kod ng'ama otimogi maonge deo wang'.
Ochiem mariek nikech be samora.
Tudri kodwa seche duto, ndalo duto, kinde duto e tong wang' mbui mar YouTube, TikTok, Facebook mondo yudu wechegi kamora mora maintie mana kar bedo.
Kete mana kae. Kete mana kokidwa kete kata wabro keti gi thuon.
Luo Trending Nation, LTN. The best ahead of the rest.
Atiango. Bwana kachunga kapo kaneno LTN. Bwana mani walo bwana. Okabi nyaka ne LTN komode. Mano gima nyaka watch. I watch YouTube. I watch TikTok. I watch Facebook. Mano gima nyaka ne bwana. Okabi kanyo kapo kaneno LTN bwana. Ma yaw LTN bwana ne. Iwalo koda nari. LTN, Luo Trending Nation. Mane gima sani kora neno ka. Mane tip makranya neno online. Mane makodanga ne online. Onge. Bochuna. Okabi kanyo bwana. Iwango ya bwana okabi kanyo. Nyaka ne LTN. LTN nyaka ne maber. Nyaka ne LTN. Danga bikanyo manade. LTN lazima nione. Iluongo ni Luo Trending Nation. Bwana in kionge kode kanyo manade. Sani koro wapongo piny. Gi LTN. Tini iluongo manade. Okabi kanyo bwana. Okabi bwana. Donga tamora. Nyaka na LTN. Okabi bwana. Bura manade. Bura manade medon mondo bi tawa LTN ka. Adwa neno LTN ko kabiro kanyo bwana. Wadonjo YouTube sani. Kata in manya data donjo YouTube ne LTN. Bumari Nash. Mr. Ne. Mano welungo mari ras Mr. Ne. Chiene mineno mbele mingo ndobok. Mari Nash. Mano nyaka wane maber nyowo. LTN. In kaka dwana no bwana ne. Okabi kanyo sani. Nyaka ngati gima watch. Imilo record nade. Imilo riginga. Oyo kabi.
LTN Luo Trending Nation. Mopandi inyenyo elela.
Luo Trending Nation LTN. Gik mopandi idhienyo elela. Number 1 platform above them all. Thank you.
LTN Luo Trending Nation. Luo Trending Nation LTN, the best ahead of the rest.